आइए देखते हैं डियोर की कहानी और उसके सफर को, जो फैशन इंडस्ट्री में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखता है। सेंट लॉरेन, जॉन गैलियानो, रैल्फ साइमंस एंड मारिया ग्राजिया. Dior expanded into haute couture, establishing itself as leading force in luxury fashion with meticulously crafted garments and unparalleled craftsmanship. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Design and Architecture by Physics Wala. I am Sakshi, your design mentor. आज के वीडियो में हम एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग और आइकॉनिक फैशन ब्रांड के बारे में बात करेंगे, डियोर. डियोर एक ऐसा नाम है जो लग्जरी फैशन और हॉट कुट्योर में अपनी जगह बना चुका है. आइए देखते हैं डियोर की कहानी और उसके सफर को, जो फैशन इंडस्ट्री में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखता है. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. द स्टोरी ऑफ डियोर. Dior, originally known as Christian Dior SE, is a French luxury goods company founded in 1946 by Christian Dior. The brand quickly rose to prominence with its revolutionary New Look collection in 1947, which redefined women's fashion after World War II. Christian Dior's vision was to create garments that exuded femininity, elegance, and luxury, marking a stark departure from wartime austerity. Key moments in Dior's history. The New Look collection, which was in 1947. Christian Dior's first collection introduced a silhouette characterized by a tiny waist and voluminous skirts, emphasizing a return to glamour and sophistication in post-World War fashion. Example, the bar suit from the New Look collection became an instant sensation, symbolizing Dior's vision of feminine allure. Second is your expansion into haute couture. Dior expanded into haute couture, establishing itself as leading force in luxury fashion with meticulously crafted garments and unparalleled craftsmanship. For example, Dior's haute couture workshop in Paris continue to produce exquisite creations that define the pinnacle of fashion industry. Third is your iconic perfumes. Dior is renowned for its iconic perfumes, including Miss Dior and J. Adore, which embody the brand's essence of timeless elegance and sophistication. Example, the launch of Dior Homme in 2005 marked Dior's foray into men's fragrance, blending traditional with modernity. Then fourth, you have your global expansion. Dior expanded globally, opening boutiques in key fashion capitals and establishing a presence in luxury markets worldwide. Example, the opening of the Dior flagship boutique on Avenue in Paris remains a symbol of the brand's heritage and prestige. Dior's legacy extends beyond fashion, influencing art, culture, and the evolution of the luxury. The brand continues to innovate under the creative direction of visionaries like Saint Laurent, John Galliano, Ralph Simmons, and Maria Grazia, each leaving their unique imprints on Dior's rich heritage. So for the conclusion, Dior's journey from its revolutionary New Look collection, its status as a global icon in luxury fashion epitomizes creativity, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. Christian Dior's vision continues to inspire generations of fashion enthusiasts and remains a beacon of haute couture excellence. I hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating story of Dior. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content.